afternoon, everyone. So, I'm Lupur from Prekas Academy, and I'm actually a tutor for maths on this channel. So, let's just start with the chapter. I'll just tell you what we are going to do today, okay? And we are going to do today the rules for parallel lines. ठीक है, हम लोग आज completely cover up करेंगे all the rules for parallel lines. In the previous lecture, we have done vertically opposite angles. ठीक है, I've told you what are those. I've told you what are linear pair. ठीक है, उसके basis पे I've done all the questions also of your NCERT. ठीक है, I'll do the complex questions also. ठीक है, on this chapter, but at the end, not in the flow of this chapter. All right, so we'll be covering that also. ठीक है, so don't worry about that. The questions कहाँ हैं? Where are those questions? We'll be covering them at the end of the chapter. ठीक है. Now we are on a very important topic today. That is rules for parallel lines. Yesterday, if you remember, I told you about certain parallel lines. Yes, parallel line के बारे में आपको कुछ चीजें बताई थी. What are those things? Those were if I am just making you recall. You can actually look at the previous lecture also. ठीक है, that was the end of that previous lecture. But for today, I will be doing certain थोड़ा सा revision of that. ठीक है, so that you can actually get what I was telling. So when we have three parallel lines, for example, we have three parallel lines. All right, this is one parallel line. This is the second parallel line, and for example, this is the third parallel line. All right, and we have a transversal. All right, we have a transversal. I hope this you know. This is the transversal, and these are the parallel lines. Yes. Now, if I say this parallel line is L, this is M, and this is N. And if I say L is parallel to M, it is given to you. Okay, M is parallel to N. This thing is also given to you. These two conditions, when they are fulfilled, it implies that L is also parallel to N. I hope this concept is clear to you, which I did in the previous lecture. Okay, and this concept is really important. Okay, for solving. Now on these concepts and on the parallel line, क्या rules follow होते हैं? All the rules we are going to cover today. Okay, so don't worry, just sit back with me and be really calm today. Okay, because these are certain new concepts, so घबराना नहीं है. I'll be making it very clear for you all ताकि आप लोगों के लिए easy रहे. ठीक है? Let's just start with the first rule. Okay, what is the first rule? The first rule says corresponding angles. Don't worry, corresponding angles, when we have two parallel lines, there are certain angles which are made on the parallel lines. As you can see, yes, I have marked them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these are angles. I hope you are able to clearly see all the angles. 1 is this angle, 2 is this angle, 3 is this angle, 4 is this, 5 is this, 6 is this, 7 is this, and 8 is this. I hope all the angles are very clear and visible to you all. Now, what are corresponding angles and what is the rule related to corresponding angles? We are going to learn that first. Corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 2. Can you see angle 1? Yes, I hope the angle 1 is clear to you. Angle 2, angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding angles to each other. Angle 3, which is angle 3, let me change the color so that it is more visible to you. Okay, this is the angle 3 which I am marking, and angle 4 is this angle. I hope the marker is clear to you. Okay, so angle 3 and angle 4 are corresponding angles. I hope pattern समझ में आ गया है. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now 4 and the 5, this angle, all right, and the 6 angle, they are also corresponding. 7 and 8 are also corresponding. Now, what is the rule for corresponding? रूल क्या है corresponding angles? If 1 and 2 are corresponding angles, the rule says that angle 1 and angle 2 will be. This is just a rule. There is no proof. Only rule. आपको rule याद रखना है for solving questions. क्या rule है? All the corresponding angle pairs, ठीक है? They are always equal. I hope the concept is clear. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. And similarly, angle 5 and angle 6 are equal. Angle 7 and angle 8. I hope the concept is clear. This is the first concept and all the corresponding angles are equal. Okay. The first concept is done. Okay. Now the second concept. What does the second concept say? Concept says consecutive exterior angles. Consecutive exterior angles. That means those are exterior angles. What are exterior angles? Look here. Angle 1 and angle 2 are respectively exterior angles for a consecutive exterior angle. So angle 1 and angle 2 are exterior angles. Angle 3 and angle 4 are exterior angles. I hope it is very clear. Angle 1 and angle 2 are exterior angles. Angle 3 and angle 4 are exterior angles. So 1 and 2 का एक pair है, 3 and 4 का another pair. What does the rule say? The sum of these exterior angles is 1. मतलब what does the rule say? Angle 1 and angle 2 का addition would be 1. Angle 3 and angle 4 का addition would be 1. This is the rule. I hope the rule is very clear to each one of us. Okay? So consecutive exterior angles कौन से हैं? Angle 1 and angle 2 and 3 and 4. These are exterior angles and the sum of the exterior angles pair का is 1. I hope the concept is very clear to us. Let's go to the third one. Okay? Third one says alternate exterior. Again the word exterior comes. Okay? Alternate exterior angles. What are alternate exterior angles? Look here. Angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate exterior. These are exterior, these are alternate. Why? Because angle 1 is on the left side of the parallel lines and angle 2 is on the right side of the parallel lines. So these are alternate. Yes? One is on the left side, one is on the right side. So angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate exterior. Okay? So I hope the difference is clear with the consecutive exterior angles and the alternate exterior angles. And can you tell me angle 3 and angle 4, are they also alternate exterior angles? Yes, they are also alternate exterior because these are on the alternate sides. I hope the concept is clear. What does the rule say? Rule says alternate exterior angles are equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. I hope the concept is clear. ठीक है, सारे alternate exterior angles are equal. And I hope you are able to identify where are the alternate exterior. Now we are going to learn the fourth concept, that is consecutive interior angles. अभी तक हम exterior angles कर रहे थे. Now we are going to do interior angles. And the word consecutive. ठीक है, consecutive interior angles. Which are consecutive interior angles? Can you say angle 1? This is the angle 1. Alright? This is the angle 1 which I am making really dark for you. So this is the angle 1 and this is the angle. So these are interior angles. ठीक है, एक्सटीरियर होते हैं बाहर की तरफ, इंटीरियर होते हैं अंदर की तरफ. सो इंटीरियर एंगल्स 1 and 2 and these are consecutive interior. Consecutive interior. ठीक है, what is the rule? The sum of consecutive interior angles is 1. I hope the concept is clear. ठीक है, the sum of consecutive interior angles is 1. This is the rule. ठीक है, I hope you are able to see where are the alternate interior angles. Oh, consecutive interior angles. And angle 3 and angle 4, they are also consecutive interior angles. Yes, angle 3 and angle 4 are also consecutive interior angles. Okay, so 3 and 4, they are also consecutive interior angles and इनका sum भी 1. I hope the concept is clear. Let's go further. Now, this is the last concept. ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर, ठीक है। जैसे हमने एक्सटीरियर को ऑल्टरनेट किया था, ऐसे इंटीरियर का भी ऑल्टरनेट है। व्हाट इज द इंटीरियर का ऑल्टरनेट? हियर लुक हियर, अल्फा एंड गामा, अल्फा एंड गामा, these are alternate interior. Alpha and gamma का pair is an alternate interior angle. Beta and beta dash, this is beta dash, okay, this is the beta dash. So beta and beta dash, they are also alternate interior. What is the rule? Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are now. These are all the rules for parallel. इनके अलावा कोई रूल नहीं होता है फॉर पैरेलल लाइंस. These are the rules that you have to follow for every question in parallel. ठीक है. अब इसमें इन सारे रूल्स में which rule is the most important? See, आपको पता चल गया है that all these rules are very very easy. मैंने आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना सिखा दिया है. What is consecutive line, consecutive interior, consecutive exterior, alternate interior, alternate exterior, then corresponding angles. I hope all the concepts are clear. बट इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट कौन कौन से, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू दैट सो दैट आप लोगों के लिए इजी रहे. ठीक है. लेट मी जस्ट चेंज द कलर. ठीक है. सो वन इज कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए टू ईच वन ऑफ अस. कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स बिकॉज ये बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता है, बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता है. ठीक है. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट हैज टू बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर. वेयरएज सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होने चाहिए, बट ये सारे कॉन्सेप्ट जो आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हिच आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हैव टू बी लर्नड एंड मतलब इनको बाय हार्ट कर लेना है बिकॉज दीज कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर रियली यूज्ड. जब भी कोई पैरेलल का क्वेश्चन देखोगे यू हैव टू एक्चुअली यूज इट देयर एंड देयर. ठीक है. सो वन इज दैट एंड द सेकंड वन इज दिस वन, द अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर. ये वाला एक कॉन्सेप्ट है जो बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता है. दीज आर द टू कॉन्सेप्ट्स व्हिच आर मेनली यूज्ड. ठीक है. बहुत ज्यादा यूज होते हैं, बट रादर बाकी भी यूज होते हैं. सो यू हैव टू एक्चुअली नो एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट. I hope the concept is clear to everyone. Now let's do a question. ठीक है. मैंने एक क्वेश्चन लिया है आज. So I have taken only one question today. ठीक है. And I'll be solving it with you. ठीक है. I have not had a solution. मैं आपको आपके सामने दिखाऊंगी how to actually solve the question. ठीक है. हम लोग एक एक रूल अप्लाई करेंगे. Whatever rules we have learned till now, and we'll see कि उनके अलावा रूल्स यूज होते भी नहीं है. There are no rules only actually. So let's. ठीक है. सो दीज आर ओनली 4-5 रूल्स दैट आर यूज्ड द पूरा पैरेलल लाइन का टॉपिक. उसके अलावा देयर इज नो. एंड आई होप एवरी रूल इज वेरी वेरी क्लियर. प्लीज सारे रूल्स एक बार वापस से, इफ यू वांट टू सी, यू कैन एक्चुअली सी दिस लेक्चर once again so that these rules are clear. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल जस्ट बिगिन टू द क्वेश्चन. सो द गिवन डायग्राम, यू हैव बीन गिवन अ डायग्राम. Lines PQ and RS are parallel to each other. So PQ is this line and RS is this line. I hope the lines are clear to everybody. They are parallel to each other. Angle MXQ, MXQ, that is this angle. So this is 135 degree, which we are given. And MY, this point is Y, and R. MYR is 40 degree. This is MYS. I'm so sorry. This is MYS. MYS is 40. I hope the concept is clear, the question is clear. Now we have to find X and Y. Which angle? We have to find this. ठीक है. हमें ये angle find out करना है. How do we do this? Look here. सबसे पहले this angle cannot be found out like that. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास दो parallel lines है. ठीक है. इसमें हमें कुछ construction करना है. Let's just think what construction do we have to do. क्योंकि ना ऐसे बहुत questions होते हैं that we need to do construction. डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन देखिए कभी सॉल्व नहीं होता है. वी हैव टू पैरेलल लाइंस. ऑलराइट. वी हैव एन एंगल 135 डिग्री, वी हैव एन एंगल 40 डिग्री. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड एम एंगल? मतलब एम एंगल के साथ तो ना कोई पैरेलल दिख रहा है मुझे. ठीक है. ना मुझे कोई कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग दिख रहा है. कुछ एंगल दिख ही नहीं रहा है विद एम एंगल. कैन आई सी एनीथिंग? लेट्स जस्ट डू अ कंस्ट्रक्शन. जस्ट लुक एट द कंस्ट्रक्शन व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू. ऑलराइट. सो there is a line. Okay, I am drawing a line. Okay, a parallel line. Okay, just look at the line. Okay, so this is a line that I have drawn which is parallel. Now this line, as I told you in the first theorem, जो मैंने सबसे पहले इस lecture को start किया था, when I told you, if I have a line L, I have a line M, and I have a line N. If I have been told that L is parallel to N. Yes, I have been told PQ and RS are parallel. PQ is line L and RS is line N. Yes, so if I have line L and N parallel, and I tell you while doing the construction that my L is also parallel to N. If I say that L is parallel to N, it is given the question, and I do a construction saying L is parallel to N. ठीक है, तो इससे मैं क्या conclude कर सकती हूँ? What can I conclude? That M is parallel to N. Yes, M जो है वो parallel N के लिए. That means my L is parallel to M is parallel to N. That means my all three lines are parallel. First of all, हमने ये conclusion निकाला that all the three lines are parallel to each other. अब हम कोई concept लगा सकते हैं whatever we have learned. Okay. Let's just see सबसे पहले. Okay. Now angle this 135 degree, and if I see this angle, can I see something? You can see what is it? It is consecutive interior angle. Yes, it is consecutive interior angle. What we have learned is consecutive interior angles का sum is 180 degree. Okay, let's just take this angle as x, and what we have got is x plus angle 135 degree is 180. Sum उनका, yes, according to that rule. What will we get for x? Whatever we get for x, ठीक है, जो भी हमारे पास x के लिए आएगा. Let me just calculate. So that will be 5, then this will be 7, 4. Okay, so it will be 45. So this angle is 45. I hope the concept is clear. ठीक है, so this angle is 45. Okay. Now let me just see for this angle. क्योंकि हमारे पास if we have these two angles, angle x and angle y, can we add those the angles and we can get angle x and y? Yes. So अब मुझे y निकालना है. How can I find y? Can I see anything with 40 degree? Yes, I can. What is it? It is consecutive interior angle. Yes, again the same concept, or consecutive interior. So what will it be? Y का क्या angle होगा? Let me just write it out. Y plus 40 degree will be 1. Yes, am I clear? Y and this is 40. So मेरा y angle कितना आ जाएगा? That will be 140. Yes, so this will be 140. Now if I add x plus y will give me x and y. So let me just write it down over here. मेरा angle x m y will be what? Will be x plus y, and you can just add it out. 140 plus 45, and whatever will be the answer will be your complete answer. I hope the concept is clear कि मैंने इस question को solve कैसे किया. How did I do that? I just did. I had the angle 135. I had angle 40. But मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं x and y निकालूं कैसे. How do I do that? Now this was a very kind of virtual question, क्योंकि obviously आपको दिख रहा है this is an acute angle, but answer obtuse आ रहा है. But that's okay. That's not our problem. जब question जैसा बनाया गया था, the diagram is not correct, might be in the question, but whatever it is, मुझे concept समझाना था. The concept समझ में आ गया, I hope. What is the concept? 135 degree था, this was 40 degree. You had to find x and y. X and y कैसे find out करूँगी ना? I couldn't actually recall कि क्या कर सकते हैं. What is even possible with it? So I just thought कि I can actually construct one angle. Now this concept is very clear. This concept has to be very clear that whenever you have certain type of questions like this, जहाँ पे you cannot actually find out कि क्या ये angle निकलेगा, let's just think कि हम यहाँ पे construct करते हैं parallel. ठीक है, always this is like something very golden rule. कभी भी ऐसा लगे कि you're stuck and नहीं हो पा रहा है, just think of कि मैं क्या यहाँ पे construction कर सकती हूँ for parallel line. So that concept is very clear. ठीक है. So then what I did was I actually found out angle x and angle y using the rules I did above. ठीक है, और मैंने सारे question solve कर लिया using that rule and just added up and I got the answer. I hope the concept is clear. If for example the 40 degree was not here, ठीक है, if I don't write 40 degree here and I write 40 degree here, what would be the change in the question? Let's just see that. ठीक है, अभी I'm telling you a change in the question, that is I have done a change in the question, that is मैंने ये 45 डिग्री कैंसिल आउट कर दिया. ठीक है, एंड द 45 डिग्री लाइज हियर. ठीक है, दिस इज द 45. नाउ व्हाट इज द चेंज इन द क्वेश्चन? द चेंज इज दैट मैंने यहाँ पे लिया. नाउ व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन दिस y एंड दिस 40 डिग्री? What is the change? Can we think of that? Yes, this is alternate interior. What is the rule for alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles are always equal. What does this mean? This means my y angle is 40. Now, the change in the question, क्या हो गया change in the question? Let me just write it out. What is the change in the question? The change in the question is, this is wrong for this part, right? So I'll just write it out. What is the change in the question? My y is 40 degree, and now angle x and y is what? Is x plus y, which is 40 plus 45 degree, and whatever is the answer, right? It is 85, so 85 is the answer. I hope this concept is clear. So I just wanted to cover कि आपको पता चल रहा है what is consecutive interior, what is alternate interior. I hope the concept is clear to everyone. Okay, and I'll take more questions tomorrow. Okay, I'll take more of such questions tomorrow for sure. ठीक है, आज तो एक ही क्वेश्चन दिया था just to make you clear कि वो concept actually use कैसे होते हैं, how to do the construction. I hope that is clear. And these concepts, I hope these are all clear to you. And if you have liked the session, if you have found out this session to be very useful for you and you want more such content, please subscribe to our channel and like the session and share as much as you can so that we can help other students also. So for today, I'll take a leave. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.